welcome to my channel, guys. Well, on today's tutorial we are working on designing a mobile app, and we have several screens on this mobile app we are designing, but for today it will just be on the welcome screen. That's what we are working on today. So I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro Max screen for this design, and come along with me as we put this together. Well, here now I'm trying to get my battery icon, the Wi-Fi icon, and the network signal icon from Iconify for the top of the screen. Then I'm also going to design with circle, just to bring up the creative juices to make the screen beautiful and attractive at the same time. So yeah, I've gotten the icons. I'm now testing on the prototype screen just to be sure that they are properly aligned and not coming out of the screen. So I'm also going to type in the time on the screen. I'm going to use the time I'm working with right now to type it in. Yeah, so we have aligned them right now. This is me setting the grid and ensuring that both the time and the icons, they are grouped together and on the same line. So after we do that, we'll now go on to putting the circles, as I said earlier on, just to design the screen. I would soon be, that's the circle coming up right now. This grid would have to go off so that the beauty of the design can come out properly. So there you have it, and we'll still go and test on the prototype again to ensure that it's coming out well. Then one thing I learned from this particular design is the OnDraw app, where you can get images that you can use for your design, so mostly for social medias and all of that. So I'm downloading an image I want to use in the middle of this app from the OnDraw. And something else again, you can actually change the color of the diagram you are downloading from OnDraw, so the color can align with the color palette you are working with for your app, so which is a very good one. Like this image I brought in here, it was actually in purple, so I had to change it to align with the color we are working with for this app at this time. So it's actually a good one. You can check it out and you can have some inspiration there for your designs and all of that. So now we have gotten the image and aligning it properly. Then after that, we are going to have a description of the app. It's actually like a to-do app, an app that reminds you of your to-do list, things you need to do, where you can input all the things you need to do, and there's a reminder. You can go back to it and get updates on your to-do list. So that's what the app is all about. So underneath this image now, we are going to be typing a description underneath it, just so when you open the app, you have an idea of what the app does or what the app is all about. I'm now going to test the image on the prototype to be sure that it came out well, and I think this is beautiful. Or what do you think, guys? So now we're going back to the typing of the text. Then after that, we're going to be putting a responsive button at the bottom, where it will be written "Get Started." So you click on the button and it leads you to the registration page. So we're going to be designing that next page by tomorrow. So after the "Get Started" button is properly created, then we can call it the end of this practice for today, and we are going to check the prototype too to see how this one ended. And guys, as usual, rate this design. I actually love the way for product design you start on a like on a blank screen, and before you know it you have something beautiful, something useful coming alive. So considering where we started and now look at the prototype, what do you guys think? Is it looking beautiful? I want to know your remarks. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next tomorrow, and I hope you can practice with this too. So see you tomorrow, guys, and do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. Thank you.